Silver just hit $80 an ounce yesterday. And if you think that's crazy, JP Morgan is predicting it could average $81 for the Ian Twait year of 2026. That's more than double what it was in 2025. But here's the question everyone's asking. Is silver about to crash back down, or are we heading toward $100, maybe even $150? Stick around, because what I'm about to share could change how you think about silver forever. Let's talk numbers. As of February 20th, 2026, silver is trading at $80.46 per ounce. That's a $2.46 per ounce. That's a $2.46 jump in just 24 hours. And get this, it's up more than $47 compared to where we were just weeks ago. We've seen silver triple in value over the past year. In January 2026, silver actually touched $121 per ounce before pulling back. That's absolutely insane. To put this in perspective, silver started 2025 around 28 to 30 per ounce. We're talking about a 130 to 150% surge in just over a year. So what's driving this historic rally? Three words: industrial, demand, explosion. First, let's talk about solar panels. The solar industry is consuming 196 million troy ounces of silver annually. That's 17% of all silver demand globally. The European Union alone is targeting 700 gigawatts of solar capacity by 2030, and every single panel needs silver. JP Morgan forecasts global solar capacity will reach 665 gigawatts in 2026, requiring 120 to 125 million ounces of silver just for solar panels. But here's the twist, and this is huge. Solar manufacturers are now scrambling to replace silver with copper because silver prices have gotten so high that it's crushing their profit margins. Reuters just reported that the 130% price surge is forcing this massive industry shift. Then there's electric vehicles. EVs use significantly more silver than traditional cars for their electrical systems, battery connections, and charging infrastructure. As EV adoption accelerates across America and globally, silver demand keeps climbing. And don't sleep on AI and data centers. Companies like NVIDIA are building the next generation of data centers. And guess what they need? Silver. Lots of it. The electronics and semiconductor industries are devouring silver faster than ever before. Now here's where it gets really interesting. While demand is exploding, we're facing a supply crisis. The Silver Institute confirms we're in our SIXTH consecutive year of market deficit. That means we're consuming more silver than we're mining, year after year after year. COMEX inventories are at historic lows. Physical silver is tight. Miners can't ramp up production fast enough to meet demand. It's basic economics. Low supply plus high demand equals higher prices. And that's exactly what we're seeing. But industrial demand isn't the only driver. With global economic uncertainty, trade tensions between nations, and inflation concerns, investors are flocking to precious metals as a safe haven. When people lose confidence in paper assets or worry about economic instability, they buy gold and silver. And here's something fascinating. Silver is still considered massively undervalued compared to gold. Many analysts see this as a huge opportunity, which is bringing even more investment money into silver. Alright, so is silver going up or down from here? Let's look at both sides. The bull case? Peter Schiff, a well-known precious metals analyst, predicts silver could hit $100 by the end of 2026, with some forecasts going as high as $150 or even $375 in the longer term. Gold Silver's lead analyst Alan Hibbard expects silver to trade above $100 as supply deficits deepen. JP Morgan's official forecast is an $81 average for 2026, with Q4 potentially reaching $85. The industrial fundamentals are rock solid. EVs, solar, AI, 5G, medical devices, these aren't going away. The bear case: after such massive gains in 2025, profit-taking is inevitable. Some traders who bought low are cashing out. If the US dollar strengthens significantly or interest rates rise more than expected, that could put downward pressure on silver because it's a non-yielding asset. One analyst even warned that silver could crash back to $50 to $64 if there's a major market correction or economic shift. Technical analysts are watching support levels around 70-72 very carefully. So what's my take? The long-term trend looks incredibly strong. Industrial demand from green energy and technology isn't disappearing, it's accelerating. Supply is tight and getting tighter. But expect volatility. We could see pullbacks to $70 or even $64 before potentially pushing toward $100. Whether you're an investor, a trader, or just curious about markets, silver is one of the most fascinating stories of 2026. What do you think? Is silver heading to $100? Or are we due for a correction? Drop your prediction in the comments below. And if you found this information valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more market updates. I'll be tracking silver closely and bringing you the latest developments. Important disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial, investment, or trading advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor. Silver and precious metals investing carries significant risk, including the potential loss of principal. Market conditions can change rapidly, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Always conduct your own research and consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Shh.